And when you know the psychology of social media, you will be able to understand why people donate for people like Cora. Because they form a community. It's called community. And when you form a community, that's the first thing you will be experiencing. People will just love you for whatever reasons known to them. What is not acceptable is to close a blind eye when JD is doing something wrong. If you genuinely care for JD, you will tell him off about what he did, reporting Cora's videos. You will tell him that no, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't take matters in your own hand, especially when you know you've gained legal rights over your children again. Cora and Justin, their children, since January 2023, for God's sake, their children, legal rights of their children was taken away from them by the CPS. You guys keep forgetting that. On the 17th of April 2024, they got their legal rights over their children back. And you do not take what JD is doing, you don't take it serious. JD is shooting himself in the foot. JD is making a lot of big mistake. He is. Trust me on that. And it breaks my heart that JD is messing around. He's making terrible mistake. They want legal rights back. Let's say from January 2023 all the way to 17th of April 2024. The state of California were the one who have the legal rights over their children, guys. Cora and Justin, they have the physical rights. The reason why that was is because they were under investigation. They were going to court, back and forth to court from January 2023 all the way to last year, August. Then they were put on review. Their cases were very serious, guys. They spent thousands of money for solicitors. Both of them. They have their different charges. Both of them, on the 17th of April 2024, they won back the legal rights over their children. Is that not worth celebrating? Do you guys know what it means to win back legal rights of your children from the government? Because I was helping Justin to prepare his defense for the CPS who wanted to take his children to foster care from January 2023 all the way to July 2023. In January 2023, in the family court presided over by Judge Scott, JD solicitor, who deals with his family cases like divorce and expertise, she submitted an application on Justin's behalf. That application is public record. You guys can check it out if you don't believe me. Judge Scott of the family division was asked to grant what they call a ex parte order to remove the children from social media. JD put the reason, his lawyer submitted it, and in front of Judge Scott, JD won that case to remove the children from social media. Please guys, don't forget, this happened at the family court that deals with this ex parte I'm talking about, to remove the children from social media, and their divorce case. Okay, this was January 2023. Now their CPS investigation started in January 2023. They got their notice that they are subject of investigation, different child abuses and all that. Both of them were charged. Okay, so both of them have been going back and forth to court because the CPS wanted the DCFS to grant them an order to remove their children to foster care. Guys, I don't want you to miss this. So don't forget, the ex parte to remove the children was granted by Judge Scott of the Family Division in January 2023, isn't it? Here they are now. They are faced with the CPS case, which relates to child abuse, child neglect, and all that. Yeah? And the case started in January. In July 2023, Justin won his case. I, Princess Mariana Wolowo, I'm the one who developed every single defense that Justin Dean used in the CPS case that he is bragging on his page about. He won. Okay? His lawyer didn't develop any of those defense for him. Yes, and he won. Okay? So if you come to my page trying to bully me and trying all this cheapness, you better go and stuff it. Okay? God sends help to Justin. So many women, they come together to gather evidence in order for his children not to go to foster care. While me and so many good women out there gathering evidence in order for the CPS not to remove his children to foster care. That was what we were doing. Tons and tons of evidence were collected. Okay? And he won, Karen. He won. Okay? Not on my page. Not on my page. Okay? Karen. And apart from the CPS, Karen, I developed a discrimination lawsuit against the Social Services of California Human Rights Department. I typed that defense. I developed that defense. And thank God I did that amazing, powerful work. I sat for hours, weeks, and we met the deadline. And we submitted it. That was the defense, the petition that triggers the Judge Downey to accept Justin Dean's evidences. That helps him to win that case. If I didn't petition the Social Services of California citing discrimination against Dr. Justin Dean, do you think that we will have the opportunity to even submit the bundle of evidences that I developed earlier? No. That was how I got that evidence to be submitted to Judge Downey. Okay? If you don't know how laws work, let me educate you. You don't need to be a solicitor or attorney before you can develop a defense. People like me, we spend a lot of years studying different areas. Okay? And if you are intelligent, I'm the last person you will want to even attempt to bully.
Share your opinion in the comment section below. Please comment, like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.